Start again.
Welcome to the third competition. Okay, is anyone confused by the course, the looks of it now? No? Okay, very good. So, I don't need to explain any rules for this competition then? No, you have to explain how much. But you you understand this line over here, this weird line that's out of nowhere. Extra points. No. So it should be confusing to you. We'll get to that line. Okay. Score will be kept similar to last week. Okay? And as promised, there will be a combination of the three competitions. If you can see the first line, which you guys can't, the first bit is quite straight. So the object will be to follow the line straight. And our first competition was to go straight. Okay? If you can follow the line straight, meaning that you do not your hovercraft does not completely come off the board, one side or the other, and you stop within 30 centimeters of the cone to be decided by me, you get 50 points. Okay? If you run into the cone, put it in half. 25 points. This is the idea. If you do well on every competition, you probably win. If you do well. But if somebody falters today that has done well previously, and another group who has 0 points wins this, completes this course, they have a chance to win. So everybody is in the game. Everybody is in the game. Okay, so 50 points if you run into it 25 points. Okay? Next bit. The course starts to meander slightly. We go a bit of a turn. You should stop here for another 50 or 25, same thing. And then again, another curve and another 50 or 25. So you can see the points are building up quite quickly. Then it gets quite difficult. We have quite a sharp turn, and you're asked to stop on kind of a mild turn, so that might be challenging for some of you. Don't know. 50 or 25 here. So we're up to possible of 200 points to here. Possible to here, 200 points. No. No. Sorry. Oh, whatever. 200. Right. To here. To here. Was 200, yeah? We come around. This is quite a sharp turn. Another 50 or 25, depending upon what happens. Chances are if you hit the cone, you're going to go off the course anyway, so that's beside it. However, here's the trick. If you miss this turn, and by chance happen to find this line, and follow it to the wall, 25 points. Alright. But if you come around here, you get 50 here, possibly, or 25, and here, 50 or 25. So if you stop, if you hit the wall, 50. If you hit the wall, 25. So let's count that for you guys. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300 possible points to here. The team in the lead right now has 160 points. The team in the lead has 160 points. That means if you get a 0 on this today, somebody can almost double your score. So, what's that? Or they make 460 points and put everybody away. Yeah. So, you're in the lead. It's guaranteed if you complete the course, you win. Yeah. No pressure. Okay, so let's go over it again, though. So, if you come here, 50, 150, 200, lose the line, and somehow find this one, you can get 225 points, which means still enough to win the competition. So even if you mess up, you could win the competition. So everybody's in it.
What if you knock the first one and stop before the second?
If you knock the first one, you get 25. If you stop before the second, you get 50, 75 points.
So, what if you collect 150 points and then go out of the track?
If at any point your entire hovercraft ends up random number generator in the world right there. So we have picked the order at random. So the first team to go for the first round will be the first team to go for the second round. So when you finish, that's how much time you have to get ready for the second round. Upstairs. The only people downstairs, and this is an important rule, because I will start disqualifying people, are the people that are running the race. Because there's all kinds of factors in play here. We have distance sensors, so if you're standing too close to the track and you stop their hovercraft at a strange place and they can't find the line, people are going to be complaining. If you step on this paper in your shoes and you find that there's footprints there, people are going to be complaining because the hovercrafts will follow footprints. The hovercrafts, if you've designed them cleverly, should not follow the seams. If you've designed them cleverly, they should not follow the seams. If your hovercraft hovers, it should be able to complete the course. If it does not, it will not be able to. I am pretty sure. So none of this, oh, but it's got stuck on the tape. How can it get stuck on the tape if it's not touching it? So, this is the best that we can do for a course, and actually I think it's, if you ask me, it's the best one we've done in the 3 years. You have 5 minutes to complete the course. 2 runs, best score.
Is the time stop between the cones?
What's that?
If you stop on the cone, it goes time.
We remove this from there when your hovercraft stops. When your hovercraft stops, we remove the cone.
Joe,
Plus minus what? Half a second? I mean, yeah.
Joe, do we get the 10 minutes between the rounds?
You get the time from your run until your next run. So I don't know if it's 10 minutes. I don't know if it's 20
I
minutes.
mean, we're not going to do that.
You should not go back. Well, you could, but there's no guarantee. The maximum time that you have between runs is 10 times 5. Yeah? So 50 minutes maximum between runs. If everybody goes 5 minutes.
So,